Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 29th August. On the front page you have this news, Supreme Court questions second chance for those left out of NRC. So NRC, National Register of Citizens, which is the exercise which took place recently in Assam. Now it is being seen that after the NRC has been published, a second chance is being given to those who are left out. So Supreme Court is questioning this process because it says this will require entire, fresh documents and everything. The entire process will have to be redone. So this is that. The next is 5 arrested for Maoist links in nationwide raids. So various social activists, lawyers have been arrested by Maharashtra police, which has sparked outrage. Then this is Supreme Court finds audit of child shelters frightening. So this is regarding the child shelters being audited now. The Supreme Court is hearing this matter. So the results which are coming forth, the facts and figures which are coming forth, Supreme Court calls it's frightening. Then this is Punjab House passes bills to curb sacrilege. So this was a controversial bill Punjab Assembly was looking to, and now the bill has been passed. These bills are to curb sacrilege. Sacrilege here is against the religious text as such, religious text of the Sikhs, the Guru Granth Sahib. So desecration of Sri Guru Granth Sahib would result in stringent punishments. So this is regarding that. Then on page 5, you have this news down here. From unemployment to weaver shortage. So this is regarding Shrirela here, which is known for the Bathukamma saris. So various types of saris and from where are they? Such questions are asked in UPSC in prelims specifically with respect to culture. So this is important. And next is villagers' recent loss of high value cattle. So this is regarding the Bandipur Tiger Reserve here, and study of villages around this reserve lists that the predation or the tiger attacking cattle here as such is increasing. Then on page 6 you have this coverage, ducks increase oxygen in water. So this is Tripura CM Biplab Kumar Deb, who is known for making such statements. This is another weird statement which comes from him. On page 7, you have this news, manned space mission before 75th Independence Day, ISRO chief. So he says that most of the technologies are already developed, so we can quickly have the manned space mission as such, so it would not be a long-term goal. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial, father to son. So this is regarding DMK president, Stalin. So from father to son, how the politics has unraveled here. So this is political editorial. Second is easing tensions. The bilateral deal between the US and Mexico, which we saw, which is to renegotiate or have a new trade agreement, changing NAFTA or replacing NAFTA, is being discussed here. So how tensions have been eased. US wants renegotiation here with both the partners in NAFTA, Mexico and Canada. So it's a trade agreement between among 3 countries. Then this is the final frontier of populism, the lead article. So this is regarding how crucial constitutional questions are being fought in courts in the world's largest democracies. So how judiciary plays a prominent role here. And then this is pieces of the Asian dream. So India should maximize its soft power in Southeast and Southeast Asia. So this is the argument here put forth in this article. Then on the op-ed page, this is an interview regarding employment data. And this is regarding, again, denuclearization of North Korea, the Korean Peninsula. Then on page 10, you have this news down here. Law Minister asks CJI to recommend successor. So, Chief Justice of India, Justice Deepak Mishra, he said to retire on 2nd October. So, who would be his successor? Generally, the convention has been so far that it would be the senior most judge in the Supreme Court who would succeed the CJI. So, there is no political hand in appointment of the Chief Justice of India. But now, you see the Law Minister has asked the CJI to recommend his successor. Then on the international page, you have this coverage, talks may collapse, North Korea tells US. So after the landmark summit which took place between North Korean leader and US President Donald Trump, the developments post that have not been sufficient to meet the expectations of North Korea. North Korea has its own apprehensions, so talks may collapse is the statement given here. And this is being battle ready. So this is regarding Russia. Here you can see that how Russia is developing itself. Down here you have this China's Type 002 begins sea trial. So this is regarding the aircraft carrier of China. This is the China's first domestically developed aircraft carrier. On the business page, the important news is settlement in derivatives to attract same STT as equities, same securities transaction tax as such. So this is important. Then on the last page, the back page, you have this news. Millions risk malnutrition as carbon dioxide levels climb. Study. So this is a study which has shown that as carbon dioxide levels increase, wheat, rice and grains are sapped of their valuable nutrients. So the way we feel that the food today is not as nutritious as it was earlier, and pollution is to be blamed for that. So these are the important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our course. And also, you can visit our website, aashah.com. In the current affairs section, you can download daily PDFs free. So the news coverage is given here too in the PDF format on a daily basis too. And at the end of the month, we have monthly PDFs also uploaded up here. So that is it. Thank you.